Hello, good morning student. In last video we have seen practice set number 1. Now in this video we will see practice set number 2. This practice set depends on the construction of a triangle. As all of you know, this figure is of a triangle. Triangle ABC. Every triangle has 3 angles and 3 sides. In this triangle ABC, which is triangle? Angle A, angle B and angle C. And which is 3 sides? Side AB, side BC and side AC. So, out of these 6 elements, this angle and side we can call as a element. So, out of these 6 elements, if any 3 elements are given, we can construct a given triangle. As all of you know, before constructing any building, the structure of the building is first drawn on the paper. You might have seen a small model of some such buildings. It becomes easier to construct a building from a drawing. In similar way, here we are going to see to construct a triangle. So, for construction of triangle, if a rough sketch of a triangle we draw, it makes easier to draw the required figure. It helps to plan the sequence of the steps in the construction. In construction of triangle, first we will draw a rough sketch of triangle and then we will final it. So, in construction of triangle, first step is to construct a triangle given the lengths of its 3 sides. So, practice set number 2 depends on this condition. In this practice set, 3 sides of triangle is given, and from this information we have to draw a triangle. So first we will see one example. If for example meaning of this sign is for example. So first example, suppose in triangle ABC, length AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, length BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter and length AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So here from this given condition, here length of 3 sides are given. So from this we have to construct a triangle. So for this construction of triangle, we will see first example of practice set number 1. So first of all, draw a rough figure from the given information. So by this rough figure we can draw a final figure. So here are steps of this construction. First of all, draw a segment AB. Draw a segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. So, see in this rough figure, this segment AB of 5.5 centimeter draw with the help of scale and pencil. Then second step, from point A, draw an arc at a distance 3.5 centimeter. So from this point A, take a distance of 3.5 centimeter with the help of compass and draw arc at 3.5 centimeter distance from A. Then third step is from point B, draw an arc at a distance 4.2 centimeter. So here from this point B, take distance of 4.2 centimeter with the help of compass and draw an arc at a distance of 4.2 centimeter. Now step 4. Name the point C which is intersection of 2 arcs. So when we draw these 2 arcs from point A and point B, to that intersecting point we have to give them C. Now join segment CA and CB. So join CA and CB. Now this is the triangle ABC. So that final figure is of triangle ABC. So now we will see the final figure. So first step is draw segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. So in this triangle AB can be taken as a base. Take 5.5 centimeter distance with the help of scale. 0 to 5 and then 5 small lines. It is AB of 5.5 centimeter. Now with the help of compass take 3.5 centimeter. AC side is of 3.5 centimeter. So first we will draw the side AC. You can see in the rough figure 3.5 centimeter. See, it is 3.5 centimeter. Now keep the steel head of the compass on point A and draw one arc at a distance of 3.5 centimeter. Now with the help of scale again take a distance of 4.2 centimeter. Here we want point C, which is at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from point A and 4.2 centimeter from point B. So take distance of 4.2 centimeter. Now place the steel head of compass on point B. This is point B. Place the steel head here and draw an arc intersecting the previous arc like this. So this is the point C. Now see, this point C is at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A and at a distance of 4.2 centimeter from B. Now join these segments. AC, first of all join AC, A and C. Now joining point B and C like this. Give these sides name to these sides. Write down measurement here. 3.5 centimeter. AC is of 3.5 centimeter and BC is of 4.2 centimeter. So this is the required triangle ABC. For this construction we can take another side as a base also. You can try by that way also. But here as this 5.5 centimeter is biggest, so here we can take as a base. You can take 3.5 centimeter to base also and 4.2 centimeter to base also. So example. So we have seen the first example of practice set number 1 for construction of triangle if the lengths of 3 sides are given. Now second example is draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeter and other sides 3.5 centimeter each. So first of all, what is meant by isosceles triangle? All of you have studied in 6th standard that if two sides are equal in length in a triangle, if two sides are equal in length, that triangle is called as isosceles triangle. So here base is given 5 centimeter and other two sides is of 3.5 centimeter. So see a rough figure I have drawn here. Base 3.5 centimeter and two sides is of 3.5 centimeter. This is a rough figure. So from this rough figure we will draw the final figure or fair figure. First of all draw base BC as a 5 centimeter. So with the help of scale draw base BC 0 to 5 B and C. It is of 5 centimeter. Give these headings or measurement with the help of scale only. Don't use for pen. Now take distance of 3.5 centimeter. For drawing another two sides take 3.5. 0 to 3.5. So from point B, draw a arc at a distance of 3.5 centimeter. Now keep same distance because two sides are equal. So we have to keep the distance same. Draw arc from point C intersecting the previous arc. Now join these 2 points. So this is triangle ABC. See in the figure. ABC. ABC. AB is of 3.5 centimeter. And AC is also 3.5 centimeter. Now third example of practice set number 2 is draw an equilateral triangle with the sides 6.5 centimeter. In your textbook, practice set number 2. We have seen here example number 2. Now practice set 2. Third example is draw an equilateral triangle with side 6.5 centimeter. So here what is mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means the triangle in which all the three sides are equal in length. Equi means equal and lateral means side. So here in this triangle all three sides are equal. So in this triangle you have to take all sides of 6.5 centimeter. So this example you solve for homework. All three sides you have to take as a 6.5 centimeter and draw that equilateral triangle. So in construction of triangle, second step is to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. In first step, we have seen if three sides are given how to construct a triangle. Now in this step, here two sides and one angle is given. So from these two elements, we have to draw a required triangle. So for this, first we will see one example from practice set number 3. So first example is in triangle AMAT, length MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Measure of angle A is equal to 80 degree. Length 80 is equal to 6 centimeter. So here two sides are given and one angle is given. So from these three we have to construct a triangle. So here rough figure is there. I have drawn rough figure here. Before every construction you have to draw a rough figure. So here 80 is taken as a base 6 centimeter. Then first of all we have to draw 80 by scale, that is of 6 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor take measure of angle A as a 80 centimeter. Then we have to draw a ray at a 80 degree as this, and then we have to draw third side, that is MA is of 5.2 centimeter. So let us see how to draw a figure. First of all, draw base. So first of all draw side 80 of 6 centimeter. 0 to 6. So this is side 80 that we have taken as a base. 6 centimeter. Then we have to draw an angle of 80 degree. So this midpoint of the protractor keep on point and keep the center point of protractor on point A. Then from right hand side, measure angle of 80 degree. See here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So at 80, give one point here. Then at 80 degree, draw an arc. So this is angle of 80 degree. Then we have to draw another side, that is AM, 5.2 centimeter. So with the help of scale, take distance of 5.2 centimeter. 5.2. So keep the steel head on point A and draw R on that ray, previous ray. So this is point M on this arc at 5.2 centimeter. This is point M. So join this point M and point T. So see here, if how to construct a triangle, if two sides and one angle is given, angle included by these two sides. So first of all we have drawn that base 80 of 6 centimeter. Then with the help of protractor, take angle of 80 degree from A. Draw an arc at 80 degree. Then by taking 5.2 centimeter with the help of compass, draw an arc at 5.2 centimeter and then join these 2 points. In this way we have seen here how to construct a triangle if two sides and angle included by them is given.